Is your balmuda phone connected to Wi-Fi, but the internet still isn't working? In this video, I will show you how to easily solve this problem. Step 1. Turn Wi-Fi off and on. Step 2. Restart your balmuda phone or Wi-Fi router. Step 3. Turn off private DNS. Step 4. Reset network settings. Reconnect to Wi-Fi on your phone. Now your Wi-Fi internet is working. If the Wi-Fi still doesn't work, contact the Wi-Fi customer service.